with former president seated in the courtroom. Donald Trump's lawyers moved to next level of attack in his bank case on Tuesday, arguing that Trump's wildly inflated property values were never official assessments and should have been. The argument that Trump's ridiculous real estate appraisals should not be taken literally emerged Tuesday as his lawyers cross-examined a witness for New York Attorney General Letitia James, who is trying to take down the tycoon's real estate empire and siphon off $250 million more than bank accounts. The tactic focuses on the idea that prices are all relative, and Trump's prediction is as accurate as any other. This doesn't explain how Trump can blatantly lie about space, such as tripling the size of his New York City penthouse on paper. But this is an attempt to undermine the AG's claim that Trump's inflated amounts are not honest or fair. During a break in the hearing, Alan Garten, the Trump Organization's chief legal officer, told the Daily Beast that he thought no assessment of Trump buildings could be based on any concrete basis because there is nothing like them. These are unicorn properties, he said, pointing to Trump Tower at 57th and 5th. You're at crossroads of the shopping capital of world. What's comp real estate? The Champs-Elysees? A Trump trial lawyer took this idea further while questioning AG's witness, trying to counter what the AG's team had presented earlier in day. The AG's attorneys spent Tuesday morning questioning Doug Larson, who spent years assessing the overall value of Trump Organization buildings while working at Cushman and Wakefield. State investigators used her testimony to show that Trump would doctor numbers in his staff's internal spreadsheets and personal financial statements after conducting an evaluation. In one example, Deputy Attorney General Mark Ladov pointed out how Trump twice counted same commercial space at 40 Wall Street, the neo-Gothic skyscraper in Manhattan. Dean and DeLuca calculated expected revenue from their grocery store, but then recorded that as well. The same space as rentable space that could bring in more cash. Does this double count Dean and DeLuca's lease? Ladov asks. Larson paused and frowned. I am not sure what they're doing. I know that Dean and DeLuca were included in my June 2015 appraisal, he said. Ladov also pointed out that the Trump Organization demanded a completely different and much more positive figure when evaluating the building's capitalization rate, which measures real estate investments. Generally speaking, a lower number is less risky. Of course, Trump made sure that number dropped, while Larson cited a cap rate of 4.25%. The Trump Organization's internal spreadsheets reduced that rate to 3.04%. Is this the same cap rate you use? Ladov asks. No, it's not like that, Larson responded. Later in the afternoon, Florida defense attorney Lazaro P. Fields offered an alternative way of reading the situation. Hi,